In this world, we make decisions that shape our future. This one's for my homies, Nightmare, Jack, Crooked. This is for you guys. Brought to you by Killer C. We be DDC. Here we go. The beat just kicked off, we got lift off. I'm here to tell you guys why I love you, man. You guys are my friends, we've been riding since 10. We started to make music, it isn't the end. It's what we've wanted, we've got a bond. Something so strong that I believe will last forever until the day I die. We're a family of juggalos, nothing can take that away from us, no. I used to go to school and chill with my crew. I miss that, I wish I had it back. You guys make everything seem possible. Even when it's not, it's possible. The things y'all do, the things y'all say, brings me through and makes my day. I know this has nothing to do with the wicked, but listen close so the picture is depicted. You do a lot for me, my friend. You listen, you're there, I hope it never ends. Well, that's my rap, I hope you all enjoyed it. If you don't like it, then we're gonna avoid it. That's it, I'm done. Killer C out. Peace.